sipping Clico and rocking yellow diamonds. So many rocks up in my watch, I can't tell what the time is. Got a pocket full of big faces. Throw it up, cause every nigga that I'm with, Taylor.
You know what it is, every whip I do it in. The rim super big. If you want something, see the whip transform. One button, seat, lean back, got the yellow inside on it. Black Camaro, black Camaro, black Camaro, black Camaro. Feet hanging out, got Carmelo on the side. And they black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
Stay high like I'm supposed to do. That crowd underneath them clouds can't get close to you. And my car look unapproachable. Super clean, but it's super mean. She wanna fuck with them cats, smoke weed, count stacks, get fly, take trips, and that's that. Real rap, I let her get high, she want and she feel that. Convertible drop feel, 87 the top hill, back. You know what it is. Yeah, you know what it is. Y'all already know what it is, man. If you don't, you should by now. When you see me, you know everything.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
I put it down, Taylor Gang.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Screaming that's nothing. When I moved off the lot, that's done. Rep on my town when you see me, you know everything.
Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in
black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Boom.
Okay. Coming from the top of my dome when I'm dropping my own type of style. and ain't nobody stopping my rise to the very top. Hit 'em up with all I got. Superstar, no I'm not. Green weed, black Glock. Everybody want a piece. Dirty like a paraclete. Niggas run their mouth a lot like bitches and parakeets. How you want it pimpin'? I'm so cold with it. Make other boys wanna do it just because I did it. I'm like a legend or some kind of prophecy. Sent here to set you free. Press play and follow me into another world deep inside your own soul. This shit here way bigger than tattoos and cornrows. This not about making dough, not about no faking yo, not about who rich or poor, not about who niggas know. This here about you and me. This here about poetry. This here about who we be. If you in here with me,
keep your ears wide open. All real, no joking. Throw your motherfucking hands up in the air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. Better keep your ears open. All real, no posting. Throw your hands up in the motherfucking air. If you feel it, throw your hands up in the air. The motherfucking air.
if you don't know me, why you niggas wanna be all in my ear like you the paparazzi? Boy, I was full of game way before this rap thing. Real before the money came, that's why I will never change me. Ain't nobody like, even though they try to be. Niggas think they are, but they ain't fucking with me lyrically. I was born with it, didn't nobody teach it to me. Over hot beats, tell you